In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset in AutoCAD. Offset is one of those core tools you'll use all the time to create parallel lines, concentric arcs, or copies of existing geometry at a precise distance. It's perfect for things like wall thicknesses, road lanes, setbacks, and any situation where you need a consistent gap from an existing object. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can start using it with confidence right away. First, type the word offset into the command line and press enter. If you're new to AutoCAD, think of the command line as your conversation with the software. You tell it what you want to do, and it guides you with prompts. Pressing the spacebar works like enter in most commands, so use whichever feels more natural. Now, set the offset distance. You can do this visually with your mouse or precisely with your keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, move your cursor to define how far from the original object you want the new geometry to be, then click to confirm that distance. This is handy when you're matching a look or working quickly. If you need an exact value, type the distance on your keyboard instead, like 50, 12.5, or any number that matches your drawing's units, and AutoCAD will store that as the offset distance. Keeping an eye on your drawing units helps avoid surprises, especially if you switch between metric and imperial projects. When your distance is set, press space to confirm and move on. You can then select the object or objects you want to apply the offset to. Click the line, arc, polyline, or curve you'd like to offset, and AutoCAD will create a new one at the distance you specified. You can select multiple objects if needed, and the command will apply the same distance to each. If you're working in a busy area, zoom in slightly so your selections are crisp and you're grabbing exactly what you intend. That's all there is to it. You type the command, set a distance with either the mouse or the keyboard, pressed space, and selected the geometry to offset. With just those steps, you can quickly generate clean, consistent parallel geometry throughout your drawing. If the result isn't what you expected, don't worry. You can easily undo and try again with a different distance or selection. Practice this a few times, and you'll find it becomes second nature and a real time saver in your drafting workflow.